Yo, what's up? I gotta share something with you. Check this out. Last night we had a full moon. It was called the buck full moon. Now, this is what I did. Let me flip my camera. Okay, this rug right here, this is in my healing room where I do my energy healing. Now, every white dot you see in this flower of life, last night on the full moon, what I did, I placed a clear quartz crystal on every single dot there is on this mat. And what I did, I laid on this mat. I laid on this mat with a clear quartz crystal on my forehead, on my third eye. And this is what I did. I asked the divine, I asked my higher self. I said, look, let me talk to my higher self. Show me my higher self. I want to know what's the lifestyle, the successful me, the one that's uber successful, muy successful, that's just doing the damn thing. I want to talk to him. I want to find out the lifestyle. I want to find out the habits, the rituals. What are you doing? What am I doing in that successful time that I can be doing now? So I went deep into meditation. I listened. I took mental notes. Oh boy, did I take notes. And from that meditation, I am manifesting. What am I manifesting? I did an affirmation based on the notes that I took from my higher self. The things I'm doing in my future successful life, some of the things I'm not doing now. So I'm going to incorporate now. Those are the things that I'm going to start doing. It's going to speed up the manifestation process of me attaining my higher self, getting there, getting to where I saw last night. I saw some things I've never seen before, habits of me that I've never seen before. I'm implementing those habits right now, today. Be well, stay blessed, and as always, through love, be a blessing. God bless.